Hey guys, welcome back to your second tutorial of Python, and in this video we will be creating our first program. If you remember in the last tutorial we made our own Python file, so if you've opened that, we are now going to make a very basic hello world program. This means we're writing a program that will print some text on the screen. Okay, so what we're going to do is type print, which is the function that we're going to use to display text, and open and close round brackets. Now inside the brackets, we're going to put in quotation marks, like that, and type in hello world. Before we run it, what we're going to do is hit enter at the end of the line, just so that we can avoid any errors. And now as you can see on the top of the screen, you can see run, and then you just click run again, and once it says run here, you just click we want to run it on test 1. And now at the bottom we see the text hello world. So you might realize now that whatever we put inside the quotation marks is what will be printed out at the bottom. Now if you've got that to work, you've just made your first Python program. In the future we're going to create a lot more exciting programs and learn a lot more about programming, but for now this is a great first step. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.